After approving the impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte in the House of Representatives, the Philippine National Police, or PNP, will closely monitor the anticipated protest actions of those in favor and opposed to the decision of the lower house. PNP spokesperson and Police Regional Office 3 Director, Police Brigadier General Jean Fajardo, is confident that the PNP will not be biased in monitoring the expected demonstrations. She added that they will make sure that the situations will be peaceful across the country when the impeachment proceedings will start. Also, the PNP called for orderly and peaceful protests for both anti- and pro-impeachment protesters.
Pakiusap natin, may umiiral po tayong mga batas. Siguro ang hinihingi natin ay respetuhin po natin yung rule of law dito sa ating bansa. At kung meron man po sila na mga grievances at mga hinaing laban po kay ninuman sa anumang grupo o sa ating gobyerno, may mga proper forum to address this concern.